Well, let's get on to the good stuff, shall we? The Watch Ultra is designed to be attractive to those that love to get out and enjoy what their body can do when it's pushed, and to achieve that Apple's added in a few new smart features. Obviously, in our limited time with the new Watch Ultra, we didn't get the chance to go and bash out a quick 10K, so these are currently theoretical, but there are some enhancements over the base Apple Watch that will appeal to the fitness enthusiast. The biggest one seems to be around diving. Without automatic diving detection that allows you to instantly see your depth while you are floating around in the depth, we will be honest, this bit went a little over our heads, but the new depth gauge is certified to EN 13319, which means it's a legit gauge. The Watch Ultra is also certified to WR100, so for everyone who isn't a dedicated diver, you are going to be fine with this one even if you fall off a boat and forget to swim for a bit. There's also a new Oceanic Plus app coming later in the year that will allow you to see all the manner of top diving metrics. You can see more on those over at Apple's official site. What is curious about the Watch Ultra is that, well, it's not that good for running. Well, that's not fair. It's great to have the new metrics in the shape of running power, interval training, heart rate zones, etc. But these all came with the WatchOS 9, so are available on a number of Apple Watch models. The Watch Ultra does have the most GPS bands of any Apple Watch, with a new frequency being added, L5, to make it easier to get a lock in cities with high buildings, and using computational data to assess where you might be. That is working out that you are probably not running through a building. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.